This is a very intimidating fruit to carve, and I did get a little bit messy already from carving it differently. So I want to show you the right way of carving it and getting the benefit of this wonderful fruit. The sun rays, the UV rays that are damaging to the skin, they actually shatter the collagen. They produce dark spots. They loosen up the bonds between collagen and elastin, and we notice wrinkles or even skin sagging, skin thinning. So to avoid all that, eat your own sunscreen. And that will be pomegranate. Pomegranate contains the highest amount of antioxidants, which are polyphenols, mainly coming from red fruits. Pomegranate stimulates our body to produce glutathione, which in turn is going to produce natural sunscreen. I already have pomegranate peels in the water. As you see, it's cut. The skin is cut, and I'm just carving it under water. So I'm simply dipping it in under the water and just sliding the seeds out of the shell into the water. And voila, it's clean. The kitchen is fairly clean. If you've tried to do this differently, any other way, you probably need to wear an apron. All of those wonderful seeds are so juicy, so delicious. You can add them to your yogurts. You can put them over salads. You can just snack on them. And one pomegranate a day would give you enough of protection, sun protection for the whole body. Oh, I recommend eating pomegranate or taking it with you when you go to the beach or when you're going to spend a weekend by the water.